Ubuntu 26.04 and Fedora 44 are two popular Linux distributions with different priorities. Ubuntu focuses on long-term stability and ease of use. Fedora emphasizes the latest technologies and innovation. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both distributions. Ubuntu 26.04 is the latest long-term support release from Canonical. It is built on a Debian base and features a polished GNOME desktop environment. Ubuntu uses a predictable 6-month release cycle with 5 years of standard maintenance and offers free extended security maintenance for up to 10 years on request for up to 5 PCs. Ubuntu 16.04 LTS, for example, received ESM updates until May 2026. The current release runs on kernel 7.0 and GNOME 5.0, with new kernel releases introduced every half year if the hardware enablement stack is enabled. Ubuntu excels in hardware compatibility and offers straightforward installation and configuration, making it beginner-friendly. Its extensive software repositories and snap package support provide easy access to a wide range of applications. Fedora 44 is a community-driven distribution sponsored by Red Hat. It is known for integrating the latest open-source technologies quickly. Fedora features GNOME 44 with fresh design updates and improvements in performance and usability. Its rapid 6-month release cycle ensures users have access to the newest software, kernel versions, and development tools. Fedora emphasizes free and open-source software with strict policies against proprietary drivers by default, which can sometimes limit hardware compatibility out of the box. Each release is supported for approximately 13 months, requiring more frequent upgrades. Key comparison points: stability versus cutting edge. Ubuntu prioritizes stability and long-term reliability. Fedora prioritizes the latest software and kernel improvements. Support cycle. Ubuntu offers 5 years of standard support with optional ESM up to 10 years. Fedora offers approximately 13 months per release. Ease of use. Ubuntu is beginner-friendly with straightforward installation and broad hardware support. Fedora requires more setup and may have limited proprietary driver support by default. Software availability. Ubuntu provides extensive repositories and snap support. Fedora offers up-to-date software with a focus on open-source packages. Choose Ubuntu 26.04 if you need a stable, user-friendly Linux distribution with long-term support and wide hardware compatibility for professional or everyday use. It is best suited for production environments, enterprise users, and newcomers. Choose Fedora 44 if you want the latest Linux features and software with a focus on open-source purity and innovation. It is perfect for developers and enthusiasts who do not mind upgrading often to stay ahead in technology. Conclusion: Ubuntu offers a stable, long-term supported environment with broad hardware support and ease of use, making it ideal for workstations and production systems. Fedora provides the latest software and kernel improvements, making it a playground for testing new technologies and rapid development. The choice depends on whether you prioritize long-term reliability or cutting-edge advancement.